Facebook Dropshipping Marketplace Tutorial 2021. Hi guys, today I am showing you that how you can do dropshipping on Facebook. Yes, you heard me right. You can do dropshipping on Facebook with just your own personal account. You don't need any account, professional account, e-commerce website, or dropshipping experience. We will just simply do dropshipping on Facebook with our simple account. So let's get started. Now all I have to do is just log into my Facebook, normal Facebook account that you have. You will just simply log into that and you have to come to this logo. You will see it right here, Marketplace. Now you will just simply click on Marketplace and you will be brought to your marketplace right here, where we can actually buy, sell and create stuff, do dropshipping. We can do anything on Facebook now. Like, Facebook has its own dropshipping suppliers now, and it has its own marketplace. Like, guys, Mark Zuckerberg is not stopping, and neither do we. We're gonna do dropshipping on Facebook. So you come to your marketplace right here. Here you will see all of these different products that are people are doing dropshipping for. They're here to sell. You can see right here, this is the marketplace where you can actually browse all of the products, notification, inbox, your account, and then there is categories. Here you can see that anything is available on Facebook. Like, anything under the sun, it's on the Facebook now. So you can see all of these things right here. So all I have to do is just click on create new listing, and here we will actually create a product, create a listing to sell, and we will do dropshipping very easily. So there are different options for me: item for sale, vehicle for sale, or property for sale, or rent, or job opening. So we're gonna go for item for sale. Now in order to do dropshipping, of course you will require a item that you have, of course, or maybe you have an e-commerce website, or a product, or anything you want to sell, a phone, you want to do dropshipping. That's a thing. You have let's just say you're very professional and you have a store. And so what you will do is you will simply click on add photos. Now add photos is the first option, so I'm going to click on that one and grab some pictures for the product. Let's go with these headphones. Okay, you can see right here that this is the picture for my product. I'm gonna add another one just so that it looks good. Now the pictures that I am adding are purely stolen from Google. Like, don't go on that, but you will obviously have your own product pictures. So I will just simply click right here and you will add the pictures of your product right here. Now I have the pictures of my product. These are looking good. I will just simply go down and now I have to add all of these details right here. So what I will do is I have to add a title. So I'm going with black headphones. Looks good. Price. Now I can set any price I want to. So let's go with $49. Perfect. Category. Now in category I can actually select the category. I will go with mobile phones, I think, or electronics and computers. Let's go with electronics and computers. Whatever your product type is, you will just simply select the category. Condition, of course the condition of the product is new, but if you are selling a second-hand product, then you can do that as well. But we're going with new because we're doing drop shipping. We're not doing selling the old stuff basically. So description, you're just gonna add any description you want to. So for the description, I'm just going with black headphones. Okay, you can see right here I have added this description plus attracting the audience. I just added black headphones, good condition, and I just used this very a sale tactic, and I said that normally these headphones are $60, but now they're $49. Don't do these kind of stuff, guys, but I'm just showing you around. Availability, I am going with the single item, but if you have it in stock, you have a lot of a product, of course, then of course you will add more. Brand, okay, I don't want to let's not jump over the board. For brand, I'm just gonna go with my own brand. That's a brand. And then optional product tags. Now here I can actually give this product a lot of tags, and it will be like you know how we see hashtags and stuff like that, so that's gonna be the tag of the product. It's optional, but I suggest that you add it so you can have a, when people are searching for the product, they will land on your product. So product tags, I am going with, so I have added these different tags very randomly, but you will just simply add the tags you want to add. The optional limit is 20, so you can add up to 20 tags if you want to. Then it is SKU, which is like only visible to me if I want to add any information, if I want to add any of the notes of it, that are related to it, so I can just simply go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're adding details right here. That also I want to give you an overview. You can see right here, this is what my product will look like. The information I am adding right here is also being added here. You can see black headphones, 49, condition, brand is my own brand, and the details are also given here. The tags are given right here. So this is how my ad is gonna look like, for which I am doing the drop shipping. So after that, boost list after it's published. Now for this one, you will actually have to add money into it. So if you want to do it for free, like we want to do it for free, like free drop shipping on Facebook, so we're gonna leave that for now. Then there is this option which is hide from friends. This listing will be hidden from your Facebook friends but visible to other people on Facebook. Now this is a good option actually, because if you want to hide it from your friends, you want to be a little shady and you don't want your friends to know that you're doing drop shipping and then you're becoming rich. So you can just hide it from them, or maybe sometimes people ask for discounts and stuff, so hide it from your friends if you want to. But if you have good friends, show them and they may buy your product, so that's a good thing. But I'm gonna just hide from my friends because these are not my headphones and I will be called out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on next. Once I click on next, now you will see that they're saying that this will be public on the marketplace and people will be now able to buy it. And I have actually added my location as well. So all I have to do is just click on publish. Once I click on publish, it will be out there, it will be open for drop shipping. People will contact me and I'll be like, okay, you know what, this is my product that I put up for sale on Facebook, and they will be able to buy it and I will be able to sell it without any experience, without any coding, without creating a website, without creating any new account, without going to these other websites like for example Amazon, Etsy, eBay. So all of these dropshipping suppliers that do dropshipping and stuff like that, so I can do that on Facebook as well very easily, and it literally takes 5 minutes. I took a little longer because I'm like talking, but of course it will literally take 4 minutes to put up a product out there and click on publish, and it will be out there and you will be able to sell it. And after you click on publish, it's done, and yeah, you can do dropshipping like this within minutes. So yeah, I think this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to sell a product on marketplace on Facebook. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.